Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I know again, it's been a while. I'm really terrible at uploading. Honestly, I'm just getting used to this whole situation as far as YouTube goes. But today we have a little DIY, project for the FRS. It's going to be wrapping the trims. We're gonna be wrapping them in like a fake suede that I got this at Joann's, super cheap. It was like $8 for a whole bunch of it. Plastic bits with the suede, and then installing it in the car to hopefully make things like a whole lot better than they do now. Just clean up the interior a little bit more. In the last video, we also did interior stuff, but you can always do more to the interior since you're in that part of the car the most. Really a big fan of the like fake carbon fiber. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if it pops up on camera. There you go. It's kind of like a really fake carbon fiber look. Not a big fan of it. And with these pieces, it's a little bit harder to get it to fit once you wrap it in something, because it's really like tight together on this section when it's in the car. So we're gonna try and trim it so that it just folds over maybe a little bit. I'm gonna try and put it in with it folded over the lip just a little bit. If not, we'll just trim that and then go from there. But so far, just get it laid out so you're like you're approximate and then just get it. Now, as you guys saw, I went ahead and trimmed up each piece. Really not that even. Probably should have used scissors instead of an X-Acto knife. Pretty good-ish fit. It's gonna wrap around it and it'll be just fine. Use cardboard or something to lay this down on so that I actually can spray it, trim out the edges, and clean up those edges to just make it look as flawless as possible, I'd say. This is not that difficult to do. I would honestly give it like maybe a 3 on the difficulty scale. Trimming is probably gonna be the hardest part for you guys and for myself. So we will see. Let me go find something to put it on. We have our cardboard on the table. Let me go ahead and, oh, what the? Apparently the nozzle decided to come off with it. I'm gonna get this shaken up a good bit. Do a little test spray. Alright, we're gonna do side to side sweeping motion. Make sure it gets covered plenty, and go ahead and lay the fabric down on there. basically time to just trim them, like trim off all of the excess material to sit or allow it to cure the adhesive. Don't know how long it wants to cure. I'm gonna do probably just like 30 minutes. I'm gonna trim it and just let it sit here for a little bit. To get them installed, hopefully before the sun gets too dark. So let's get this done. Oh. So you can see there it is with nothing. Looks kind of terrible. Guess this will be the end of the video. See y'all later.